Good morning, everybody, and this is your Forex day trade setups for today. So, not yesterday, but last week was still very much a down day. However, if you just look at the weekly here, you can see we are coming up to, or not coming up, we are at a fairly strong area of what should be support. But if you look at the oscillators, they are pointing to the downside. We are in between the moving averages, so typically that means we are heading into some form of a range. Now, if you watch the 8 hour, we've had 2 weeks of down. We've got a crossover, so what we should be looking to is short, and we should be looking to short off the next level, which is right there. Just bearing in mind that this level here has been breached if you look at the 8 hour. So if you find support there, that would start building a higher low for a move to the upside. So at the moment, trend is down. We're looking to be moving with the trend. And if you look at the oscillators on the hour, we are not quite at the level that we need to be paying attention to. And I'm just going to put in one more level here. So that's the zone. We're looking for a rejection of 108.346 or 108.315. I would suspect gap close first, and then your next target is going to be 107.939, which is this weekly level. And this could turn out to be a flag of sort, which would then get us moving below the low of last week. So, sorry, not last week, but the low of last Thursday. Moving on to US dollar Japanese yen, and does look like a bit of a double top forming if you look at the oscillators here. Not really any diversions, but the trend is up, so you're looking for an opportunity to buy, to be quite honest. And that just goes well with what we're seeing on Euro USD. So it's looking like a strong dollar. Lots of noise around a credit crisis brewing now with all the high interest rates. So we do have a gap down this morning as well. Same scenario pretty much. We're looking for either a rejection of 137.979, but then that's just going to open us up to, I just want to put this level in here as well. So a rejection off there is going to pretty much open it up for this zone that we have here. There. So we'd be looking at 137.185 for an opportunity to buy. But if we do start reclaiming some of these areas here, and I think the most logical one is going to be 137.979. If we reclaim that this morning, so it's gap close, reclaim it, then we are looking for a continuation to the upside. So lots of noise around the dollar this week, but bear in mind it is Monday, so it's more than likely going to be fairly quiet. Moving on to the pound, British pound, Japanese yen, and also looking like a double top here. You can see a nice big rejection bar here, but this is a range that we're in right now, so I wouldn't pay too much attention to it. You see there, the range is there. For shorts to come into play, we'd need to break and retest 171.233, and for longs to come in play, I'd want us to be above 172.086. At the moment, it is sideways. It's 2 days that we've been sideways, and I'm very reluctant to be long at the moment just based on what we've seen here. So you can see rejection, continuation, rejection, no continuation yet. But if we do drop below this 171, then you're probably more than likely looking for some kind of a move down, either to 169.855 or to the bottom of this bigger range here, which is 168 dead. Lastly, Euro British pound. And remember, we do have a strong zone, which is on the weekly down here at 0.86717. And I would be very, very surprised to see us just fall through that today. So I think for today, you're probably just going to continue in this range. And if you do start dropping below 0.86717, I'd want it on the higher time frame as possible. So 3 hour or higher, I'd want to see structure there for a continuation to the downside. For moves to the upside, you're looking at getting above 0.86935. For me, this is a sit on hand scenario at the moment. So there is some trades on the dollar. So just pay very close attention to them. Get down to the 15 minutes as well, because that's probably going to be the best bet to get your entries, get your zones drawn in and your levels drawn in on the 8 hour and the 1 hour, and then just get your entries on the 15 minute. You should get some fairly decent opportunities out of that. Small, quiet trades for a Monday morning. Anyway, hope that helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.